back, everybody. Here we are in the second video as I'm finishing up this bow stand job here. Again, I just want to thank my subscribers and thank everyone for watching and liking. Yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward thing. Not a lot to talk about here. Just knocking down these overgrown weeds. Yeah, there you go. Enjoy. everybody. Hold on tight. And there you go. Yeah. Sorry about that. I do realize that I lost the camera, and I do eventually pick it up here. Give the old thumbs up, so yeah. Sorry about that. But I figured I'd leave that in because that's just kind of funny. So, and these things happen all the time. So yeah. Thanks again for watching.
Oh, blow the man down, bullies, blow the man down. To me, way, blow the man down. Blow the man down, bullies, blow them away. Give me some time to blow the man down. Give it over the bar on the 13th of May.
So there we are. Got you guys all picked up. Just showing off kind of what was done. Briefly saw the deer stand there, but this is a pretty heavy trail they run on, so I just wind it up so they could get shots down this way to the left and right of that stand. Yeah, so they'll be able to see them and shoot at them perfectly through there now. Yeah, no problems there. You might see it. There's a little tree stump. I end up coming back and cutting it down real low so that you can come through again and just mow it and be done. I'm going to see about getting these guys on a maintenance plan since they had me come out and do a lot of work. And it'd be so much cheaper if they just had me come out and just maintain it as opposed to coming out and waiting for it to get all overgrown and having to do all this. I did leave that branch there just because it doesn't bother the deer and it looks normal to them. So yeah. Anyways, guys. Thanks for watching. And we'll get the next video up and going, and the next one should be the gun stand, so that'll be a fun one. So talk to you guys, or see you guys in a little bit.